A simple guide to helping local businesses thrive. Your guide, Sean Martin. In this video, what we're going to cover is my story and who I am, the benefits of marketing your service business online, how to attain more customers, and super solid advertising method for local businesses. Before we get into it, I want to go over a little bit about who I am for you. My story and who I am, I was 17 years old and in high school. I wanted to become a pararescueman in the United States Air Force. I wanted to be that guy who basically goes behind enemy lines and jumps out of helicopters and basically just saves people for a living. And essentially be that rescue person, that person you can call on at the very last moment and be like, we need help, get us out of this hot situation, and boom, we're there for you. We're just diving in head first and getting you out of the rough situations ever. And I developed a back injury that was actually basically maybe not eligible to even pursue the United States Air Force anymore because of a bulging disc. Bulging disc, if you know what that is, it's basically whenever you have in your spine, my L4 and L5, I had a bulging disc that would mess up my spine, and it was bulging out of my spine, and it would really send really bad chills down my leg, and I couldn't stand for more than 15 minutes in the same spot, and it just got really bad to the point I needed surgery. And that's kind of when I got into was looking for something else to help me kind of travel the world and really help people. So I got into the field of online marketing for 7 years. Actually, I got into online marketing, and I spent the last 7 years in it, kind of perfecting perfect formulas on how to really scale out a business online and make a lot of money in the process. And I've listened to top experts in the field of online marketing like Ray Higdon, Tony Robbins, Mike Dillard, and I've generated well over 20,000 new views a month on YouTube for free just starting out. And I'm super passionate about helping people succeed. So we're gonna hop on the next slide for you. Some of the benefits of marketing your services and business online is there's a lot of benefits to marketing your service and business online. One of the reasons is because you can obtain and engage with your customers more by having that special one-on-one with them through online platforms. You can easily build better engagement, trust, and ROIs through online marketing services. If you don't know what ROIs is, it's a return on investment. There's a much wider selection of opportunity and resources available to you to navigate through different channels of exposure and repeated exposure processes online. Most people, I don't know if you know this or not, but most people need to see something 7 times before they actually make a decision to purchase something. So marketing your service online can give you that ability of repeated exposure. That's one benefit to marketing your service online. The next one is, have you ever been to a movie where it was good, so good that you just had to share with someone else? The experience, the storyline, maybe the plot was just so cool that you shared that movie with everyone you talked to over the next couple of days. That's the power of word of mouth. You want your service to have a nice word of mouth ring for your business. You want people to coming in from day one and leaving your place of business and talking to their friends and family about your services, about the experience they had at your business, telling all their friends and family about their experience, and just bragging to them you got to go check out the shop, you got to go see it, you got to go hear this person's story, you got to go visit them, you got to go see him, you got to freaking come back and just check out the service he provides to you, stuff like that. And the next slide is another benefit of marketing your service business online locally. It's like I got a question for you. It's what's the best customer to have for your business? A repeat customer. A customer that continues to buy from you a repeated number of times. That's the customer we're looking to help you generate for your business. Through online marketing tactics locally, you will be able to build a solid database of your current customers or clients on social media or through email. This is when you can follow up with them and position offers to your customers in a more proper manner rather than trying to get them to come back to the store. You can actually hit them up on social media saying, hey man, hey Mark, we got a buy one discount going on this weekend at our shop. You can come and check it out. We got different services, different special clearance items we have on sale right now that you can check out. You may be interested in. You can do that through online services and basically educate people about your business online that way. So let's hop over to how to retain more customers for you. One of the beauties of retaining more customers is the thrill of generating more or retaining more customers. That's the part I enjoy the most about business, is retaining the maximum amount of customers as possible. There's a couple elements of retaining more customers. The first step, which is crucial, is to capture their attention better and get them in the front door. You want to build a long-lasting first impression with someone. That's how you retain more customers in the beginning. You want to capture their attention better. You want to basically get all their eyes on you and have them listen to what you have to say about your business or service or your products. Get them to purchase it. Okay, that's how to retain more customers. Next step in how to retain more customers is to really build rapport with your current customers. Building rapport with someone else just means that you can relate with them and they can relate with you. Meaning there's synergy between you, your story, your story and your service in their minds. Your story and your service is in their minds and their heart of the prospects looking to buy from you. This seems like a hard part of the process, but it's really not. I promise you, it's really simple. You can always write a short one-page article about your life or journey and upload it to a blog or an article that can help build rapport for you. People like to buy from people they know, like, and trust. So it's really important to actually build rapport with your current customers. This will help you retain more current customers. People will trust you more. People will come back to your store more. They'll like coming to your store more, and they'll trust you more when you do that. Do I hop on the next slide for you? It's like how to retain more customers. And this is like crucial step 2 that can make or break your business. You want to engage with your customers more. Get to know them more. Find out why they are visiting your business. Find out what brought them into your shop or business. Find out what they want and why. Finding out those 2 simple questions, what they want and why they want it, will help you retain more business and customers for your shop. If you want to retain more customers, engage with your customers more. Word of mouth spreads quickly. Word of mouth does spread quickly. So engage with your customers more. Find out why they're coming to your shop and what they want from your shop. If they're just looking for a specific item that's on specific ad that they want to know if your shop has it, then find that out. They could have something. You could have something similar that's just like it. Can help them move one step closer to their desired outcome, as which they came into your store because they wanted to purchase something. So you'll basically receive that purchase. Okay. So how to retain more customers? There's another thing. I got one or two more on this. There's one thing other than the service you provide people that people will remember about you. It's your story of creation. Your story of creation can be anywhere from how it all got started from your grandpa's days to how you scale out your business to set you and your family financially free. People remember stories. The story of creation you bring to the table. They relate and identify with it, and they remember your story. People will remember your story of creation, and people will remember why they came to your shop and why they trust you and why they like you. They'll remember your story. Okay? So how to retain more customers. I think that's the last slide for that. On how to retain more customers. Make people fall in love with your products or service. This can be as simple as to how much you help someone find a specific item they are looking for, all the way to how helpful and knowledgeable you are when it comes to your services you render. It should also be related to how long your product or service holds up from wear and use. If your customer can always rely on your services or products to be there for you when you need it, people will fall in love with your product or services. You really want to provide excellent services to each and every person you come in contact with. This will retain more customers. People will be like, I bought something there from 6 years ago, 7 years ago, and it still is in proper working order today. I still use it every day, and it's stuff like that. You want something it will fall in love with your product or services. People who basically use it and come back and purchase more from you. So that's how to retain more customers. Next slide for you. On some super solid advertising methods for local businesses online. There's a lot of great ways to advertise your business locally online. Free methods of advertising to essentially paid marketing strategies that allow you to scale your business to hundreds of new people a day. One great way is to build a local fan page, a local Facebook fan page. This is a local Facebook fan page. This local Facebook fan page can help you engage with your customers, build rapport, engage with your customers more, share your story, and provide better services to people. I recommend all local businesses create their own Facebook fan page for their business services. You could have a special freebie offer that gets them to like and sign up for your free fan page. This can keep track of how many customers you have in a local community of people. If you want to market services to people too, special services for people, you can have that. If you are the manager and the operator of the store, you can have stuff like that. So that's one way of super solid method for local businesses online. Next method, there's a lot of ways to help your customers become familiar with you in your life. One great way to help your customer become familiar with you in your life outside your business is to build and design a personal blog. On this blog, you can write about subjects related to your business, special offers, promotions you have going on, and your story of creation. And you can get people's feedback easier on your upcoming products or events and services you're going to render to your customers. A personal blog is a fantastic way to constantly advertise your product or service for you naturally, because you can get SEO traffic, local traffic, and just word of mouth traffic from your blog. So that could be one way. And then another great way to build trust, character, and share your story with customers is to first of all create a personal website. A personal website, people can browse through your catalogs and pick and choose what items they want to purchase when they visit. A personal website gives you a lot of leverage and the ability to play around with your products and services. It also helps you figure out what best sells and what people want the most from your local business. Because people can give you feedback in the comment section, like, I wish you guys had this, I wish you guys had this, and I wish you guys had this type of product or service at your office. I wish you could always find out what ways to improve your personal website. And another super solid method of advertising for local business online, method I like of exposure, it's just really good, is YouTube. I started a brand new YouTube channel in the year 2015. I got it to generate well over 20,000 views in its first month of being online for free. How I did it when I was targeting certain niches I was targeting certain niches, and I targeted certain keywords in my videos in that niche, and I filmed videos on certain subjects or topics that would resonate with that audience who was searching for that specific content. I built a really solid loyal following on YouTube really quickly on this page, and it was a lot of fun. It helped me understand online marketing, building a loyal following online. It was a great experience, It was a great, fabulous experience that really helped me learn how to talk to people about my business and how to teach people how to do stuff, because I became an expert at teaching, and it was really fun. So YouTube is a great platform where you can actually help your customers or your future employees do better stuff, accomplish better tasks and accomplish them easier. So another super solid method for local businesses online is the fifth and final solid advertising method for local business online is real neat. It's a formula on how to take any business from the ground floor to the top really quickly. If you master this one tactic of advertising, sky's the limit. Paid marketing. Now, when it comes to paid marketing, if what you're marketing or selling in your advertisement yields at least a 10% ROI, return on investment, you have a profitable campaign that you can scale out. Basically, essentially keep dumping more money into it and getting more dollars and customers back in return for that. You can basically turn your business into like a machine where it's like you invest $20 and you get back $25, or you invest $30 and you get back $40. And it just continuously is a push and pull method, where it's like not really push and pull. It's more like you put money in, you get more money back because of your products and services you are rendering to your current customers that will basically help them expand and help you essentially become a top known expert for that local business, because you will be able to expand so much more quickly, and be able to get so much more exposure, be able to just dominate the marketplace. So that's kind of that's basically a simple guide on to help local businesses thrive. I hope you enjoy this short presentation. If you have any questions now, it's time to feel free to ask your guide, Sean Narden. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask me.